Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm just have to learn how to make brake pipes. I bought brake pipes now to fix on the Land Cruiser, and what I get from those places was since it's I get a bubble flare. Bubble flare means the end of the flare is more as a bubble. This is a double flare. Bubble flare is used by the Germans, and yeah, it's supposed to be good, but the Toyotas and many other Japanese and many other, they use a double flare. So I had to tighten very hard on the bubble flare, and it seems that it was working. It's no problem, but I would like to learn everything like this. So I started with I bought a big chunk of cable that was 3/16 inch, 5 meter to start to learn, and I bought these ends, nipples they call. This for this pipe is for the thickness of the pipe, 3/16 thickness of the material. And for what I was told was on the Japanese car, like I have the Land Cruiser I was working on, and I work on a lot of Toyotas and Land Cruiser and Lexus and things like that. I have some other also, but this is the thing I had to learn first because it was I needed to make or put on some brake pipe. M10 is the size and 1 millimeter. That was what I was told to buy, so I did that. And now I have made one short pipe here. I have started to make one little longer one just to learn more. You cut with a cutting machine like this. I can just cut it one more time just so we see it. Just tighten it. Put it up a little more so see. It have to be in here. Be a little shorter again. Screw it in to feel the pressure. Go around the say one time. Take it a little back, I was told. Tighten a little more. Go again. No, this. There. No, I cut off one more piece. This one was actually coming out very clean. So that was even better than I done last time. I take a little better time. I take it, twist it over and back a little and turn it in. So that. Then I bought there's many different tools, but I have seen this one. I bought it at AliExpress. It's made for 3/16 pipe, and it comes with different system. This is made for what we call double flare, like what I have. Here I'm putting in the pipe, screw up enough, and see the pipe come off more or less there. It's not, it's supposed, the pipe is supposed to stop in the middle here, and it's kind of difficult to see exactly, so I just take it in a little, tighten up a little, put in this adjustment screw. But this one is pressuring the pipe to be exactly at the right position in here. When that is in there, I have to tighten down those screws. I see is on the net is different version of this. For me, this was Umbraco, is it 7? Yeah, 7mm on this one, on mine. Now, that is supposed to be in the right place. Then I have a 17mm to tighten and open here. But I'm sorry, I've done a very stupid thing that they say is very normal. So let's say that I was thinking to show you that, but I wasn't. I'm just forgetting. Because before we do that, I need to put the nipple in. Because I have closed off the other end of the pipe. So this one has to go in. And it has to go in like this. Then we put it back in the machine. Tighten down this here a little. And we screw in this one to adjust it to the right length. Now I see straight through this pipe hole. It's difficult to see it on the camera. And now it's on the right place. To tighten down the screws here. There. Then I can take out this one again. Then the pipe is at the right place. Then this locker is in at the pipe, because in the other end I have put on one, so that one is locked. Here I used one that I was taking off. New one cost me 10 Norwegian kroner, so if the old one was nice, I can just use it. 10 kroner saved. Money here, money there. Then we have a tool here with two different sides. This is made specially for making a double flare. I should use position 1 first, and I should use some fat, greasy stuff. There. Then I got into the place where the pipe is. Now I should tighten this. Sorry, camera was coming up a little. Just have to go in and tighten hard. Let's see. Tightening in. Tight it into. Can't tighten it much more. There. There it stopped in the other thing inside. No, this was side 1. So now I just have to loosen that. See, it's so messy in the kitchen where I'm sitting here, so I don't want to show you all Then I put on a bit more greasy stuff on the other side. Now I turn it around. I started with that side in, now I turn it around with the other side. Then I should make the hole in the center. Just tighten it again. Okay, a little more. I have to tighten it there. See if I get, yeah, I get it just a little more. No, it's completely in. I just have to open again. There. Finished. Now we have to open the screws. Now we have to open them really. There. Now I get the flare out, a greasy flare, so I just take off. And that was actually, I have done it, this is the 4th time I'm trying. First on this pipe, then I use the old one on this side, and then here, and actually I get it better. The tool working better and I'm getting better. I just screw this back in here. Put it back in the toolbox. We come. This tool was bought at AliExpress. Cheap. Okay, that is in. Now you see a double flare. So then it's very, this go in a double flare. The other version is little different than a bubble flare. So, but no, that should work perfectly there. So it was much easier than I believed. Then you can bend pipes. You can have different tools to bend pipes. But I saw that it was so easy bending it by hand. And I made two to put on the Land Cruiser I had there. So then it was not so hard to make. Very simple. It's just you have to try it on someone. Maybe you need start with just small pipes. Take them a little longer than you think, and if you mess up, here you can just cut it and start again. But remember to put in this one. If you have finished one side and forget to put it in on the other side, then you then you just have to cut up again and start again. It's okay. I learned something new, and that's very good. Yeah. I can put in a link to where I bought this at AliExpress. A name and things so you find it. It's many different types of this one, and it's many other different types. Bigger, smaller, and many different. But this one was working very well. This one I bought cheap at Bildilla, as we call it in Norway. So Swedish company, the pipe cutter. Also the pipe bender here. I found out for small pipes and things it was not that practical for me, but I think on a bigger, longer pipe it could be nice. Yeah, thank you for coming by, and please come back and see more videos on our channel. Many of my car project and many tools and things that we have been trying and learning new things. Yeah, thank you. Please come back, please subscribe to the channel, and please put a like, and comments would help. Thank you.